We no longer need to imagine a future threatened by climate change. We're living it. Ancient forests, once teeming with life, are now consumed by unprecedented wildfires, leaving animals homeless and skies choked with smoke. Meanwhile, elsewhere, entire communities are submerged by historic floods, their homes and memories swept away by rising waters. These aren't isolated disasters, they're symptoms of a planet in crisis. From scorched farmlands to melting glaciers, the evidence is everywhere. The natural world is struggling to keep pace with changes we've set in motion. The balance that sustained life for millions of years is unraveling before our eyes. We are living in a pivotal moment, one that will define our planet's future. The stories of fire and flood are chapters in a larger narrative, a world under immense pressure. Understanding the cause of this global fever is the first step toward healing our only home. To grasp what's happening, we must look at the air we breathe. Earth's atmosphere acts like a greenhouse, trapping just enough heat for life to thrive. For millennia, this balance allowed life to flourish. But the climate has always changed, slowly over thousands of years, giving nature time to adapt. Today, change is happening at a pace never seen before. The planet's thermostat is being cranked up rapidly, not by nature, but by us. Greenhouse gases are thickening our atmospheric blanket, trapping more heat and raising global temperatures. This is global warming, the engine of climate change. It's not just about hotter days, it's about disrupting the entire climate system. Rainfall patterns shift, storms intensify, ice melts, and oceans warm. The web of life is under strain as the natural balance is disturbed. The difference between slow natural change and today's rapid human-driven change is crucial. Recognizing this is the first step toward real solutions. The Industrial Revolution unlocked fossil fuels, changing our world and our climate. Burning coal, oil, and gas releases CO2, thickening our atmospheric blanket. Methane and nitrous oxide from landfills, livestock, and fertilizers are even more potent. Deforestation removes vital CO2-absorbing forests. Our choices shape the future. If we cause this crisis, we can change course. The time to act is now. Climate change isn't just about a warmer world, it's a cascade of consequences. Extra heat is absorbed by oceans, fueling stronger storms and raising sea levels. Melting ice sheets and glaciers add to the threat, endangering coastal cities and island nations. Water cycles are disrupted, some regions face devastating floods, others endure relentless droughts. Agriculture suffers, fresh water becomes scarce, and millions are put at risk. Ecosystems unravel as plants and animals struggle to adapt. Coral reefs bleach and die. Species face extinction at unprecedented rates. This loss of biodiversity weakens the natural systems we depend on for clean air, water, and food. The dominoes are falling, each impact triggering the next. The stakes could not be higher. Climate change doesn't affect everyone equally. The poorest, who contributed least to the problem, suffer the most. Farmers in developing countries face failed crops and lost livelihoods. Coastal communities watch their homes and heritage disappear beneath rising seas. Many are forced to become climate refugees, searching for safety and a new start. Meanwhile, wealthier nations, historically the biggest polluters, are better equipped to cope. This is a crisis of justice as much as environment. Billions are at risk because of the actions of a few. Addressing climate change means supporting the most vulnerable and sharing responsibility for our shared future. The challenge is immense, but so is our capacity for solutions. We must cut emissions and adapt to changes already underway. The first step transition from fossil fuels to clean, renewable energy like solar and wind. These technologies are efficient, affordable, and ready to power a sustainable future. Protecting and restoring forests, wetlands, and mangroves draws carbon from the air and supports biodiversity. Working with nature, not against it, is essential. We must also adapt, build flood defenses, develop drought-resistant crops, and create early warning systems for extreme weather. Investing in adaptation now saves lives and money later. Every action, from policy to personal choice, moves us closer to a safer world. The solutions are within reach if we choose them. The challenge is great, but hope is greater. We are the first generation to fully understand the crisis, and perhaps the last with the power to change it. The future isn't written. Our choices now will shape the world for generations. Every action matters, from what we eat to how we travel and the energy we use. When millions demand change, leaders and businesses listen. This is about more than avoiding disaster. It's about building a better, fairer world. Clean energy, restored nature, and thoughtful consumption create healthier, more resilient societies. Let's move forward with courage and determination, inspired by the beauty of our planet and our capacity to innovate. The moment is urgent. The task is ours. Together we can turn the tide and secure a thriving home for all life on Earth.